Oh my goodness, it's grilling time, people. Get grilling with this Joy Pebble grill. Enjoy barbecue with your family and friends. Here we will take a look at some of the features. It has a built-in thermometer for heat control, ignition control knob, push igniter to start and twist to adjust the flame, 3 stainless steel burners, built-in bottle opener. Hot summer day, you're out grilling, pop a top, enjoy a drink, and keep on grilling. Removable grease pan, 2 locking wheels and 2 non-locking wheels. Here we see the dimensions. The Joy Pebble product details: the silver cabinet style propane grill. We've already looked at the dimensions. The weight is just under 64 pounds, and as we said, it is propane. We'll take a closer look at the electronic igniter. You push in to start, twist to adjust the flame. Has a built-in thermometer. With the built-in thermometer, it gives advanced temperature control to enjoy more tender and juicy food. It has a stainless steel handle, durable tube burners. Here's a closer view of the lockable wheels. The grill offers a side burner, excellent for cooking those side dishes on. Its compact size makes it convenient for most any size deck, porch, or patio. If this is a grill that you think you would enjoy having, it is available on Amazon, and the link will be in the description below.